Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Sabrina and I'm your Saturday on TAP, These Awesome People. So this week's theme is introduction and 7 facts about yourself. So let's go. So as I already told you guys, my name is Sabrina Torres. I live in California. I love it in California. I love the weather. And I'm 15 years old. I'm in high school. I'm the oldest child and I do sports. Yeah. First fact about myself, I used to shuffle. Shuffle is a dance. For people that you guys don't know, it's a dance that a long time ago people used to do. And if you want to see the video, it's still live. I'll put a URL somewhere up here or it'll be in the down bar. Second fact about myself, I have to, when I wake up in the morning, I have to crack every bone in my body almost. Like I crack my fingers. I can't do it right now because I crack my neck, I crack my knees, I crack my toes, I crack my ankles, I crack my back, like the whole shebang. I crack everything. The fact I do is I do cross country. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy because I do cross country, because cross country is pretty hard. For my school, we have to do 3 miles a race, and the races are usually on Saturdays or during the week, so we get out of school early. That's a good thing about doing cross country. Fact 4, this isn't my first YouTube video on my YouTube channel. I had many YouTube channels before I made my main one. If you want to see my main channel, it will be a URL somewhere up here, and I upload videos also every Saturday. Fact number 5, I have no cousins my age. I'm like the middle child basically. Like everybody else is older and in college. Not in college. Nobody in my family has been in college, but college and in the army, yeah. And I have little cousins like are 10 years old. Yeah. Fact number 6. I hate straightening my hair. Like I straightened my hair today, but it was really hot, so I just put it up. It takes me a long time to straighten my hair because I have curly hair and wavy hair, and it takes me forever to do it on a weekly basis. 7th fact, last and final fact is as you can tell, I have braces, but I didn't really need braces because before I got my braces, oh my goodness, before I got my braces, my teeth are already straight and I didn't need them. But my bottom jaw was messed up, so I had to wear the top and bottom anyways. So thank you guys for watching my 7 facts about myself. My name is Sabrina Torres. I'll be your Saturday on TAP, These Awesome People, and that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Subscribe down below, give it a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye. Go check out my main channel. And yeah, bye.